My thing is, if Umusa Mseleku is this moneyed man that you guys are painting him out to be in my comment section, that is paying for 3 mortgages, why doesn't he have medical aid? Why is he paying in installments ilobola kaMakhwela? And why is Makhwela and her child still living kokwabo? Why is Umzumbe in the state, and why is all of this being blamed on one wife? So I just finished watching the last 2 episodes of Uthando Nesithembu, and as usual, I have some thoughts. So here are the things that we saw on episode 5. Umzumbe is a mess, like an abandoned mess, which, like, it does not look like anyone lives there, which brings me to my first question. Where does Umusa Mseleku live? Secondly, does the state of the Mzumbe homestead not remind you of what the residents of Mzumbe have been saying about the mine there? You don't know, there is a lithium mine in Mzumbe that the locals have been complaining about. They've been complaining about alleged structural damages to their homes, cracks in the walls, cracks in their windows, allegedly caused by the blasting and mining vibrations, amongst other things. Now, it was also alleged that uThobile worked at this mine, and this is why they all allegedly fled Mzumbe. But, you know, all of those are allegations, and I would suggest that you take them with a grain of salt. Anyway, the other thing that we saw is Umusa going to Mangwabe's house to ask her to speak to Uma Khumalo, because Uma Khumalo has blocked Umusa on WhatsApp. Why? So as you guys know, this show is sponsored by Halfway via uThobile, and they usually give them cars. Apparently they had given them 5 cars, if I'm not mistaken, 1 for Umthombeni and the other 4 for the wives. So Umthombeni goes to the dealership to take his car, and the car that was supposed to go to uThobile, he takes that car and gives it to Usamke, like njani. uThobile obviously calls Halfway to stop all of that, because again, it's her gig. And that's how Umusa got blocked. Now again, Umpilo is now allegedly refusing to film with him because of this freaky-ass conversation. I do not blame her at all. So now Mseleku is now saying that he will not do anything for her as her father, because this is a clear sign that she is siding with Uma Khumalo, which also includes the welcoming ceremony that they were supposed to have for Umpilo, which is just crazy. Anyway, episode 6, we see Umusa golfing with his friend who is just stroking his ego. The only thing that was kind of interesting, that kind of shocked me, is Umusa saying that this guy has told him things about Uma Khumalo that would have made him leave her. Obviously alluding, in my opinion, to infidelity. Which, you know, considering everything, like, I would not blame Uma Khumalo for cheating on Umthombeni at all. Just saying. So Usamke, who is still shooting in the middle of nowhere because she has no house, is saying that Umusa has not finished paying for ilobola yake. And when she asked Umusa, he just said, "Mana, go and ask Umatel," which is, yeah. Again, I ask you, why do you guys think Umusa is singling out Uma Khumalo?
Angiyona nje bakithi pro nje kwisithembu akuyona into ebakhona ekhaya, so angiyona ipro, kodwa nje ubabakhe udinga ukuyilungisa le shandisi fast. Angazi uzoyilungisa kanjani ubabakhe lento, ngoba like le ngane isanda kufika mfethu, yabo, your wife number 5, vele laba abanye onkosikazi bebengayithandisisi indaba yakho, you are the youngest, yonke leyo nto. Mawufika nje emzini, engikwaziyo nje, mawufika nje emzini, uyafika uzithobe, uyafika uhloniphe, uyafika utshengisa ukuthi you want to become part of the family, uzokwakha, hayi ukuthi you here to make a name for yourself. Manje le attitude abanayo uMakhwela angiyi-understand, because wife number 5, yabo, and already i-attitude yakho is just completely wrong, yabo. It's completely wrong. Uzakhela isicefe to the viewers, uzakhela isicefe kulabo nkosikazi vele abakhona, uzakhela isicefe nje, yes. Yabo nje mfethu, if ubufike nje wafike nje warelaxa nje, yabo nje, if ubefike nje waphola wayithoba, uyabo, wayithoba nje, wathandeka nje. Manje yabo nje le ndlela seza ngayo, ibanga ukuthi nje abantu nje yabo nje bangamthandi nje nalaba ke konkosikazi bebekhona abebekade bekhona begudla nalo baba uzodala ukuthi bangakufuni nje at all ngendlela oyiphatha ngayo wena uyabo. So nje ubaba wakhe nje udinga ukuyilungisa nje le Shandisi fast. Angifuni nokuyithinta ke amakhumalo nkosama, angifuni ukuyingena kakhulu leyo because understand, I don't watch the show that much, but ngibona nje lengane le ukuthi nje ayingeke ihamba nje ngelinye igiya, she needs to calm down. Usanda kufika mfethu kaMseli.
Would it be too much to ask for this man to wear pants that actually fit? I'm just asking. Oh, Umsele goes with his friend playing a round of golf. He then says in his confessionals, "Amadoda maningi," and I'm talking about the whole nation of men, were so worried about me when I was sick, especially given the treatment that I got from my wives. Sir, show us these men. It's only 3 men, according to my calculations. Upurvugile, Uputsipo, and this golf buddy of yours. One thing about Umusa, he loves to speak about respect as if he gives respect. It's amazing. He demands it, he expects it, but let him be the one to respect somebody else. Give him 0. He goes as far as saying, I should have never brought these women on TV. It should have just been me. Who would have watched that? You're not that interesting. Please believe me. However, I have to agree with Golf Buddy when he says, you've lost control of your polygamous situation. And I couldn't agree more. But we'll charge that to the fact that Umusa is very messy. We have to acknowledge that he's very messy. What's amazing is also that he loves correction, because he speaks about the families of my wives should have checked them when they saw the disrespect on television. Who's gonna check you, sir? Because you love to dish it. Off Buddy says, the only wife that really gives you your tens is Matsele. So Matsele she has to hold on because there's nothing else. I must say, it's extremely boring that he always finds an opportunity to say that the issue that Umakumalo had was the number 5 thing. It's like beating a dead horse at this point, because he's never gonna get it. Then insinuates, hey, Lobaba. He insinuates that there are things, secrets that this man knows, that I know, that I would never speak of. Because in actual fact, Umakumalo should have never been a wife based on those things. Umuntu ne-bruised ego uyambona. Because he starts bringing up things that have nothing to do with anything. Because what did that have to do with anything? Then he quotes John Legend, Ati, it's cold outside, because my wives would have been destitute if it wasn't for me. Sir, you and your tight pants are not a catch. We move on to Umakwela playing paddle with Umadlagaza, I think that's her name. And she mentions the fact that Umyanwam said I should wear something that's going to cover izing and be modest, be respectful. Has he finished the lawala? I'm just asking. Dlagaza gets straight to the point, because she's asking the questions that we want to know. Because what are you going to do? Are you going to go back to work? Are you going to be a stay-at-home mom? What is your plan? Anyway, Makwela brings up the fact that when she asked about finishing ilobolo, this man brings up Umatsele, and it seems like we're all confused. Makwela is confused, Madlagaza is confused, the whole nation is confused because ungenapi Umatsele. Ababa nabo 3 musketeers. I want to know. Is she referring to Makumalo Mangwabe and Mayim? Because that's very foul. You're wrong for that. I don't want to go too hard on Umadlagaza because she looks like Uyashayana. Angifunje. Yabazi labo sis labo abagunda baza bagundi line. Ngibasala kabi labo sis labo. we have Umbali and Utobile meeting up, and unfortunately, Utobile tells us she hasn't been well. And there was a time where she was in and out of hospital, and that's due to the fact that last season this man actually mistreated her, which is what I've been saying this entire time. And my heart broke. It broke for Umakhumalo because she said she was depressed. She was in a very dark place. And I can only imagine, because the one person that is supposed to protect a part of you that you might have been struggling with, i.e. the fertility thing, was actually the one dragging you all up and down South Africa. And so I understand why she fell into a dark place, because the person who was supposed to protect you did not. Makhumalo says, you know why I blocked this man, Mangwaru? Because Ula talks too much. And I said, this is so accurate. Khumalo states what I've already spoke about. The fact that he's got selective amnesia. I said, oh, so I'm not tripping. Here comes production again, doing the Lord's work and flashing us back to the point where this man did in fact know what Makhumalo was talking about. I actually don't know how these women do it with this man. I'm tired for them. You hear me? Anyway, we'll see each other on the next one.
You know, kuthando nesithembu mna ndizithandela uMayeni. Yeah? There was a year apha into nokubana kwenye yezi-seasons uMayeni ehamba itherapy esitsho into nokubana no, 1 2 3 umhethile kwathini and emsebenzini they were also giving her grief kwathini ehamba itherapy. Yabo? And then waba ngcono after itherapy, waqala ke ngoku uMayeni wazilwela after itherapy, yabo, waba ngcono. Okay, fine. Naqala ke ngoku nina naqala izinto zenu zokuthi uMayeni uyadelela kwathini. Obviously I was not on your side bensecaleni likaMayeni even kwangoko, because ayikho into nangixelela yona mna nguMayeni negative ucimba fanele banami ndizaba negative. Masistop right there. Noko ngathi awuyadelela akukhulunywa kanje nendoda indena zinena KZN. Hey, yekana uMayeni because uyazazi bakutheni kule ndawo akuyo. And ke ngoku if nami nicimba ndi-toxic ngenxa yalo nto, okay mhlambe I do need therapy because andiboni kwanto wrong eyenziwa nguMayeni. So mhlambe I do need therapy. But kule video I don't want to talk about uMayeni. Benifuna nje ni-understand into nokubana there was a time uMayeni had a mental breakdown ngenxa yale reality show, ngenxa yezinto zasemsebenzini. That stemmed from i-reality show le. Yabo? Fine. And then yaba yile nto zakaMusa. uMayeni wadecide ugoduka wayoshabeni for intoni? For mental health yakhe. What happened to Musa? Waba neyakhe mental breakdown, waba ne-stroke, wayesibhedlela. Okay, sharp. Uyu Musa esibhedlele, wabuya wathatha noMakhumalo it like anyhow. Wabuya sefuna number 5 ushushu, sisathatha noMakhumalo ngendlela ezirongo, kwathini. Yabo? And now uMakhumalo had her own mental breakdown now. Yabo? And then she was in and out of hospital, kwathini. Bona ngoku andisathandi ngoMakhumalo. Andisathandi ngoMakhumalo. Elaa xesha uMakhumalo beyiphikni ebendidika, I don't wanna lie, but andizomkhumbuza ngehistory yakhe because ngoku sifikelele kule ndawo sifikelele kuyo. Akukho right, guys. Like what Latata is doing to uMakhumalo, ayikho right. I don't care what Makhumalo did, but landa yenzileyo kula season abesithi uMakhumalo kwathini ufailile ukwenza eyona nto ayibizelweyo apha emtshatweni, eyona nto beyitshatela ufailile. And ke ngoku what I picked up kule episode, kwezi episode ezimbini zigqibodlala, ingathi there's more to le nto kaMakhumalo noSamke. Like ingasi there's a lot that we like ingati ngoku ba computer bobabini. uSamke is no longer fighting into nokubana amkelwe ngabafazi bonke. I think ngoku it's just a competition between uSamke noMakhumalo. I think because ke ngabasendaweni and all of that. And mhlawumbe uMakhumalo uye wafumaniseka kuba wabona ngathi uyashiywa and all of that. And ke ngoku asithandi ngoMakheye. Yabo? Andithandi ngoMakheye at this point. Yabo? So at this point uMayeni number 1 but uMakheye number 2. So ndizamlwela going forward. ngizamlwela going forward yabo. And then number 3 wami izaba ngumangwabe kanye ngusamke izaba ngumangwabe. Then number 4 wami izaba ngumacele. Usamke number 5 because I still feel like usamke is still delusional. Usaphila ubomi basefilimini still do like usenguthonqo usamke. Seninzi into efuneka ayifundile iwazi ke ngoku usamke into nobana njengoba enguthonqo nje ebephi yena ngoba esibuyekele reality show okanye beyibukela ahlale kanje ufika kwami kuzawunyiwa. Mhlambi nyani guys usamke beyibukela so hayi ngeke sivumele number 5 makufika number 5 ngiyahamba hey athi samke ukufika kwami kuzanyiwa. And ke ngoku umusa into yenzayo uyaba manipulator futhi because until they all moved out and then emzumbe kusheke kungekho umuntu. Umusa kule season yonke uzawuphushela into nobana usamke ayohlala emzumbe because uzawuthi kuzawuhlala abantu emzumbe. Umbuzo uzawuma into nokubana emzumbe indlu yawa and njengokufuneka kuhlale umuntu kuzawuhlala abantu emzumbe. But on a point, but at the same time he's using that to advantage yakhe. Yabo yabona umacele yena umacele is the most peaceful because wamkelile isikhundla sakhe soba umamkhulu / mazala waphuma ecaleni wamkele esikhundla sakhe waphuma ecaleni. Into ayenzayo nje every now and then ufuna ukulwa noMuntuza because uMuntuza is trying to claim isikhundla sakhe according to her, is trying to claim isikhundla sakhe yabo. So into angayifuna nje umacele ngumuntu ozamlwisa kodwa isikhundla sobumamkhulu bawuyeki wonke mamkhulu hayi uzaziphumela ecaleni uzaziphumela ecaleni. Unombela guys ebesilwa ngantoni nomusa like bebe bangani like what was the fight about because ndiyakhumbula efuna uhamba shushu for 3 seasons but I still cannot remember into nokuba ifight ibingantoni fight because kuShibase it was always about ukudelela because uShibase would tell uMseleku what is on her mind and then after that amxelele into bana wena xa ufumene itrust entsha wena ubambeke. uShibase bengoyika umxelela yabo and ke ngoku uzandiluza. But unombela kulwa ngantoni because I understand naleka amakhumalo bakulwa ngantoni. Kunombela kulwa ngantoni guys kanye sisikhwele nje.
I've been watching Uthando Nesithembu ne angikwazi ukubuka ngama episode makusuke kudlala so today I gave myself time ngabuka wonke ama episode Uthando Nesithembu. Ngizama ukucabanga guys ningitshela manje wrong yini ecasula uThobile Khumalo guys because uThobile Khumalo ungene indodeni eshadile. Abantu lapha ya efangaba sibangela umsindo ngendaba kaMakhwela uMayeni noManto yini because nakhona uMayeni wafika kuqala kuleya ndoda. Angazi bawe khona ngaphambilini bani lwashona but ngishelo ukuthi nje ke kulabo abaphila isibabonayo uManto wafika kuqala uMayeni wafika kuqala kuleya ndoda. Uma ngenxa yenkinga kumacele wagcina esewundlonkulu it's fine. Akakagqumi umacele undlonkulu uMayeni naye uyifightela amalokhonja akhe uya retaliate ngokwakhe but uThobile Khumalo ucasula yini because phela ungene ekuvele kushadiwe naye yini esinzima manje paternity test because uMakhwela wenza lento ayenza naye yes ingakubo but akuyena dadewabo akuyena umzala wakhe. Yini enzima ngizama ukunderstand guys ukuthi yini enzima why abantu besithembu be selfish especially abantu abazongena emadodeni ungafika ungene kushadiwe bese wena futhi awusafuni ukuthi ulanywe ikhona into enjalo guys because phela kuba selfish angathi umacala ubayekile bonke bangena like bangena because abantu fanga ngabe basibangela umsindo lapha ke lagciki umacele noMayeni and would understand but kusuka kumangwabe kushona phansi so dinga umsindo because naye mangabe mangabe ethi uzohamba number 5 njani girl ungene vele nawe nendoda eshadile ngizama ukunderstand but angikho kumangwabe ke ngoba ke wadlala edrama ukuthi uyahamba sazi ukuthi vele ngekaza ahambe because lamakhosikazi avele dependent kumseleko angeke nje vele sasazi ukuthi ngekaza ahambe mangwabe guys uyamdinga umseleko kodwa akasikho lapha uThobile Khumalo yena yini emcasulayo ukuthi sengathi I'm not saying ukuthi umseleko akanamaphutha umseleko namaphutha amaningi guys umseleko unamaphutha amaningi trust me hence uMayeni is retaliating uMayeni not ukuthi ngoba mhlawumbe egule ekhanda nomani wenze lento ekuthiwa retaliation because umseleko unamaphutha amaningi but this time guys phela guys umseleko ena uyipolygamist nje yini inkinga kaThobile kahle noma inkinga ukuthi lengane ithe ifika yayizala mhlawumbe because uThobile une problem yokungabathola abantwana mhlawumbe ucikwe yilokho I do not know but if ecike ukuthi ena uthathe omunye nangakubo hayi guys ungene naye nje endodeni yomfazi ungene naye umacele esehlezi phansi wangena uMayeni esehlezi phansi yini ke manje inkinga akahlale phansi uMakhumalo noMakhwela ngena hlala isimple nje ngiyibona but tell me if ngi wrong guys ningitshela mangi wrong yini kahle hle egqumisa uThobile yini uThobile ayinqashelayo singaze xatshane kanganqa kaMakhwela ekubeni naye angene endodeni yomuntu hayi guys
Is it me or uMakhwele has a bit of an attitude nyana ngathi khona izinto ngathi uzenza ngathi uyalaya you know when umuntu afuna ukulaya like the way the arrogance yakhona ingakhona maybe that's why uMakhumalo bangafuni ukuthi kuthathwe umuntu wangakibo because maybe they know each other is there beef between the family like what's happening there's something I don't understand and why did useswakhe athi isikhathi sethu manje what do you mean isikhathi sokuyenzani isikhathi sokuyenzani like I genuinely do not understand where this arrogance nyana is coming from. I don't know if it's being friends with uMacele that's giving them this ngathi superior than abanye and calling uMbali uMangwabi uMayeni noMakhumalo ama-3 musketeers. Is that the word they use uMakhumalo ngabo like cause yabona manikhuluma ngabantu one man would give it away ukuthi into enihlezi niyenza. That's what happened. Umangwabi mahlelo umndeni wakhe we have not seen her discuss amakhosikazi kaMseleki or umndeni waMangwabi ukhuluma kabi ntuza nani ngamanye ama-wives umndeni kaMayeni we don't even see them umndeni kaMakhumalo we've never but umndeni kaMacele nomndeni wakaMakhwele one thing they will talk about them like why are they so bothered I understand like hey girl make a like really hi man and another thing uMayeni had gone washed because she was not well for a while and Babumseleko did not like tend to her as much as she would have loved with the way beafuna ngakona but yena uthi bewafocus ekutheni usufuna ukuthatha number 5 nelokutheni uyagula if uyagula yenzani like focus on you being sick and stop other things and they're going to focus on that too because you're also doing it so this episode nalento issues because I don't know man you guys just talk about his life and you have to agree with the things that he says and does like I don't understand why he's involving kids endabeni zakhe namakhosikazi akhe I genuinely don't and he has this thing of allowing abanye abantu ukuthi bakhulume kabi ngamakhosikazi akhe and Mayeni wayikhuza lento le wathi nizofika nikhulume konke la maqeda niyahamba niyidlinzini nibe right nabantweni nemishila that's what Mayeni said now kunomunye umuntu futhi Honestly, I don't think abanye abantu should speak like that about amakhosikazi akho or your wife. Honestly. Or it should be done in private, or that person knows something about umfazi wakho, something that is proper or improper, you won't say. Mara mawusho njalo, you leading us to insinuate ukuthi lento akutshele yona ayikho right, because you're saying ukuthi lento lo muntu lo ayaziyo wouldn't place umfazi wakho as umfazi wakho. Oh, like the disrespect.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. These are Uthando Nesthembi viewers and they are reacting to the show ukuthi kwendakalani yini labayibonako, and seems like people are really not impressed Uthando Nesthembi anymore, and most people have complaints about Umakhwela for being disrespectful. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.